you're watching Gardens and Graveyards. My name is Charisma, and today we are in the backyard and we're going to plant up some upcycled containers. So Spencer really loves to upcycle random containers in our garden, and we started this back when we lived in Portland, and we had a whole bunch of tires that we planted up for our vegetable garden, which was really fun. But in this garden, we kind of scaled down, and now we're just using smaller containers all throughout the garden. So the containers that we have right here is a tire, and we have it hanging up, and we drilled holes on the bottom. We put a screen underneath so that the soil doesn't just pour out the bottom. It does dry out really fast because that black rubber in full sun can get really hot. So we have to put sun-loving plants in there. And then down here we have some recycled or upcycled cinder blocks that we weren't using in any other places. You could tell they're not brand new. They were, where were they? It's just
they're on the property.
They're just on our property somewhere. They've got this really fun moss on it. We leave the moss on. It gives it some character, and it doesn't hurt the plants in any way. I just put potting soil in here with some fertilizer, and then we'll plant up our plants. So let's just go ahead and start with these since I'm down here. Actually, I have to go get snapdragons. Hold on. All right, so we have trying to stick with the purple and white, black and white theme throughout the garden back here. So we've got some magenta, purpley snapdragons, and then these are the polar bear zinnias that I grew. So we picked these up at Rite Aid, actually. I'm just gonna pop them right in here. We had snapdragons growing in these last year, and they loved this space. So I'm confident these are gonna work really well. And I'll divide these up. Just as easy as that. It's okay. The tire, we're gonna put these Proven Winners Laguna Cloud White, what is this, lobelia. And it's gonna spill over. They're just really beautiful. And then we'll also put in a sweet pea seeds and nasturtium seeds. Just like that. All right, we're gonna put a couple of nasturtiums in here because we want to just keep with the theme. Nasturtiums everywhere. Okay. And sweet peas. These are a dark magenta. And they'll just spill. This will stay kind of clumped and it won't spill as much, but it'll probably fill in this whole area and come over. And then the nasturtiums and sweet peas will spill out. All right. So let's go pot up the gutters in the back. Are you ready?
Good.
All right, so here we have a little section of gutter that Spencer painted. My favorite color, dark purple. Probably needs to be cleaned a little bit. It fits right on top of our pallet fence, and they've been really fun to plant every year. We just stuff them full of colorful flowers, and yeah. So we put all fresh potting soil in here. Jasmine's scoping out the door open. Hey, don't go in there. It's fresh soil, so she thinks that she needs to investigate. Says digging weeds.
Jasmine, come here. Come here.
Yeah,
Come here.
she knows.
Yeah.
Don't eat those.
Jasmine, come here. Here.
Okay, so we actually keep a lot of our vegetables and flowers behind a fence because Jasmine likes to eat the blossoms of a lot of things. We didn't know that she did that, and we couldn't figure out why we weren't getting any strawberries. But it turned out she was eating all the strawberry flowers. Okay, anyway, so with these gutters, I put in fresh potting soil because every year the roots of the annuals completely take over, and it just literally peels out in a big clump. So it's all fresh potting soil. I'm putting in some slow release fertilizer, and they will get fertilized with quick release liquid fertilizer throughout the season.
What are you doing? Come here.
She's fine. She's just checking it out.
Crazy dog.
Now, the gutters are pretty shallow, so we have to be like really aware of what we're growing. We don't need that. I don't know. Something that can handle a shallow root system, and like this is probably too deep.
Right.
So I'm gonna have to take off some of the soil. Still plenty of roots on it. The roots will just grow this way instead.
Girl. I know. There's something that's like can't done.
That's okay. Once it's full,
I'll
it
fix
doesn't
it.
move.
I can fix it later. I can fix it later.
Okay. Then we're gonna take this purple sweet alyssum and we're gonna put them down this way. Let's see. I'm gonna do 5. We'll save this last one for the other side. Okay. Thanks. I'll finish filling this up.
What the hell?
Okay, so then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put in some of these sweet peas. Just gonna put in 3 of them, or in 3 little areas.
No, these peas are not edible, right? These are not edible kind?
These are, yeah, non-edible sweet peas. They're just
Yeah.
decorative.
Gotcha.
And then we're gonna add the nasturtiums. We're almost
Boy,
at the
we
end.
thought we were we thought we were nature from happy last year. The heck are these dogs doing?
And then I have some white alyssum, which is the same as these purple flowers. And I'm gonna seed in between the purple flowers and see how well they do. Alyssum is a cool season annual. The crow is screaming at me.
I know.
Alyssums are cool season annuals, so they're gonna look really good for the spring, and then they'll kind of peter out and not be looking super hot through the summer, and the nasturtiums and the sweet peas will look great, and then in the fall they'll come back and start looking fantastic again. So just let them do their thing. Right. Now, I'm not watering these in today because we are expecting 100% rain tonight and for the next 6 days. So it'll get plenty of watering in very soon. So we're just gonna hop over to the other side of the door and repeat on a bigger scale. So. You can tell what a slope our yard is. All of a sudden this fence is like as tall as I am.
I was just saying, you're always short.
Okay. Alright, so then we just put in the seeds and then we'll be good. We just have 3 more nasturtiums, so.
End in middle.
Here?
Yeah, end middle.
Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Then we have sweet peas. And alyssum. They're so tiny. Okay.
Tuck them in nicely.
Got seeds in one hand.
This old barbecue that we repurposed, what's the word? Repurposed as a repurposed as a planter, as a potting area, but we're gonna use it as a planter this year. That made no sense at all. Yeah.
This is a blue salvia called Ray.
Oh, cool.
It's a dark, dark purple blue salvia.
Cool.
Got like this
Yeah.
tall.
Cool.
Okay. Thanks for watching. This is an ongoing project that we'll continue to update you on, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.